welcome back. This is SparkBC Hot Topics. I'm Erin Riva, owner of SparkBC, and with me are two of the SparkBC team members. We've got Ted Gilbert out there in the interior. How's it going, Ted?
Oh, it's going great today. Thanks.
Yeah, and we've got Dave Chevalier out in Chilliwack. Hey, Dave.
Hi, Erin. Good to see you.
Nice shirt. Looking good. So today we're going to be talking about armored cables and bonding continuity in a PVC box. And Ted, you've got a great photo that you're going to share with us, correct?
Absolutely. Give me the controls and I'll bring it up.
All right, let's do that. All right, you are the host.
All right. So here's a great picture that I have. It's a feeder installation, and the ACWU wasn't long enough, and because it's outdoors, the contractor put in a PVC box. Big mistake though, he forgot that he has to carry through the bonding of the armored cable, in particular the armor. You can see clearly it's a PVC box. He's got some lock nuts. He's put the insulated bushings on, but it's just not right. Dave, you want to chime in here for me?
Well, it's a pretty busy box in there, isn't it? There's all kinds of stuff. It would be pretty easy in a case like that, maybe to forget about what has to be done to bond the two armored cables together.
Yes, he actually did a pretty good job. I think it just totally slipped his mind that he had the armor, because it's hard to see in the bottom corner, but he actually has got the tech cables bonded together. There's some you can see the copper bonding conductors, and there is a split bolt down there. You can not really see it very well, but he just totally forgot that the armor has to be carried. And of course, as soon as I have a PVC box, then I have to use a means that allows me to carry that armor continuity through. So let's have a look at the code rule. Rule 10.606. I hope you can all see this. Bonding continuity other than service equipment. And it says to see Appendix B, although that's more about reducing washers than it is about the bonding continuity. So sub rule 1, the bonding continuity of metal raceway or metal sheet cable or armored cable shall be assured by one of the methods specified in rule 10.604 sub rule 1, or by using standard box connectors made of tight 2 lock nuts, one inside and one outside of a box, or 1 lock nut and a metal conduit bushing. Now, these 3 ideas, they work fine when we're talking about a metallic box, where the box will be able to carry the continuity of the armor through. But when we're using a PVC box, as we have in this install, we need to go to rule 10.604 right above, and we're looking at sub rule 1C, the bonding continuity for raceways, armor, sheaths, and service equipment enclosures, so it still applies, even though it's a feeder, shall be assured by C, bonding bushings supplemented with a bonding conductor where the connection to the enclosure is made using standard lock nuts. So back in our picture, unfortunately, the guy had to take this apart. He had to spin off those insulated nylon bushings, spin on some bonding bushings, connect a bond wire to each of them, and run that down to his split bolt there to get the connections good. Dave, you're good with a split bolt for doing bond wire connections?
Absolutely.
I love you, Dave. That's why I always ask you the questions. Anyways, that's our hot topic for today. An easy mistake to make. You don't want to do it. Time, energy, cost. You're going to get a reinspection fee if the inspector picks up on it, and it's unsafe the way it is. Erin, I will stop sharing and give it back to you. You can wrap it up. Thanks.
Awesome. Thanks, you guys. Great image, great issue. And I think it's going to help a lot of people out there. So thanks so much for sharing. And again, if you have any questions about this or anything else, give us an email at info@sparkbc.ca. Catch you next time, guys. Bye.
See you next time.
Bye.
Oh, that went